Fundamental of GIS, Series of GIS People, number 24. David Schell. David Schell, proponent of OpenGIS. David Schell earned degrees in mathematics and literature from Brown University and the University of North Carolina. Initially, he worked in system development at IBM. Later, during the 1980s, David managed marketing and business development programs for various Massachusetts workstation startups. In these positions, he was actively involved in the development of Unix software, libraries, and the integration of productivity tools for office automation, measurement and control, and scientific applications. In the late 1980s, while working at real-time computing pioneer Masscorp, later Concurrent Computer, David had the opportunity to work closely with the Corps of Engineers Geographic Resources Analysis Support System (GRAS) development team on technology transfer and the integration of GRAS open source with commercial GIS and imaging systems. This integration work resulted in an early prototype of the principle of web mapping. Carl Reed and John Davidson of GIS developed an operational system in which a user could access both genome map and GRAS seamlessly from the same command line, and where map graphs from both systems displayed into the same X window. This resulted in the development of some of the earliest interface-based interoperability models for geospatial processing. In 1992, with the aid of a cooperative research and development agreement with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, USACERL, David founded the OpenGIS Foundation, OGF, to facilitate technology transfer of OCOE technology to the private sector, as well as continuing the commercial interoperability initiatives begun with GenoMap. In 1994, responding to the need to engage geospatial technology users and providers in a formal consensus standards process, he organized OGF to become the OpenGIS Consortium, now the Open Geospatial Consortium. With the support of both public and private sector sponsors, the OpenGIS project began an intense and highly focused industry-wide consensus process to create an architecture to support interoperable geoprocessing. Davy was cited in 2003 as one of the 20 most influential innovators in the IT community by the editors of CIO magazine and received CIO 2020 Award for Visionary Achievement. Speaking about the industry revolution, David Schell said, "It is most important us to realize the far-reaching cultural impact of geospatial interoperability, in particular, its influence on the way we conceptualize the challenges of policy and management in the modern, industrialized world. Without such a capability, we would still be wasting most of our creative energies, laboring in the dark ages of time-consuming and laborious data conversion and handmade application stovepipes. Now, it is possible for scientists and thinkers in every field to focus their energies on problems of real intellectual merits, instead of having to wrestle exhaustively to reconcile the peculiarities of data imposed by diverse spatial constructs and vendor-limited software architectures. As our open interfaces make geospatial data and services discoverable and accessible in the context of the World Wide Web, geospatial information becomes truly more useful to more people, and its potential for enabling progress and enlightenment in many domains of human activity can be more fully realized.